Hi everybody, welcome back. So here's the final reveal on United Empire Miniatures 9th scale bust of the Happy Monk. So I finished them up the other night. All the paint is finally dried, all the oil paint, and got him on his little pedestal. And here we are. This was fun to paint. Nice big broad surfaces, and it painted up really, really well. I was very happy with the way it went. It just took a little bit. Let me grab my pointing stick here. Zoom in. So the foam for the beer is actually this stuff. This is polyfill. My wife uses it when she crochets her little animals and things like that she works on, and she fills it with this stuff. So that's what that was. And I ended up using Mod Podge gloss, soaked it in that, formed it into kind of what I wanted, then while it was still wet, put it into the Stein, kind of molded it the way I wanted, allowed it to dry for a few days. Then I painted the foam white. So there we have it. And tilt up a little bit. So, yeah, this is kind of where we're at with this. Hope everybody likes it. Like I said, it was a fun figure to paint. Lots of broad surfaces, very expressive face. Lots and lots of detail on the cloak. Or on his, I don't know if that's a cloak or not. Whatever the monks wear. Anyway. Yeah, this was a lot of fun. If you're going to try figure painting, this would be a good one because it has such nice details on it. There aren't a whole lot of details, but they are, very expressive, very easy, very broad. So this would be a really good one for somebody who wants to try to learn how to paint figures. So that's where we're at. I hope everybody likes this, and thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel lately. I hope you like the content here. Again, thank you to all of my long-term subscribers. Without you, this channel is nothing. So I appreciate your time, your effort, and everything else that goes into watching my channel. And I am still trying to catch up with watching everybody's videos. Sometimes I don't always get a chance to comment because I might be watching someplace where I, can't, like on my TV while I'm trying to get stuff done. I can't comment. Or if I'm at work or something like that and I get a few minutes, I can't always comment on a video. But I am watching them. Everybody's doing impressive work. Now we're going to be on to the next project. And we'll see what that is. Again, I hope everybody's having a great day. Have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful week ahead. And I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye.